Oh, I'm so happy you clicked over. It's no coincidence that you're here with me right now. You are meant to be here. So, are you tired of our broken, big pharma funded, insurance industry controlled sick care system? Yeah, me too. Are you tired of bouncing from doctor to doctor with only all those incurable labels that they give you and the dangerous medications, but no real healing at the underlying root cause level? Well, then it's really time to get a real scientist and medical detective on your healthcare team. So you can book a free scientific root cause evaluation with us now, and we will teach you how. Now, before you book the special consultation, there's just one thing that I would love to ask you. Please only book if you are serious about transforming your health at the root cause level and taking action now so we don't waste each other's time. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you right now. Getting your health back will require investments from you. They will require investments of your time, your energy, and yes, some money. But you're going to find that it's surprisingly affordable, especially with the new medical funding that we have available today. And you'll also find that correcting your health now before it gets worse is far less costly than remaining sick for years on end, like you probably have been right now. So, if you're truly ready to make those dramatic changes in your health at the root cause level, then I welcome you to book now. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.